Hi, I'm Penny Davidi, mom, chef, wife, a lover of travel, and a foodie at heart. Over the past 40 years, I've traveled this beautiful country and this incredible state, and I've tasted some of the best food there is. And now I'd like to share that with you. Join me on Penny Eats LA. Hi guys, Penny here in Beverly Hills, California, and today I'm at Otro Dia Tacos, one of my favorite taco shops in Beverly Hills. But what you don't know about this place is that they are also known for the best damn breakfast burrito. It's literally written on the wall. So I'm here with Diner Dave at Ronnie's near Beverly Hills, California, also house of the best damn breakfast burrito. So tell me about this burrito. Tell me how you got started here. What is the story behind this famous institution?
Well, my dad started Ronnie's in '91. He wanted my friends and I to have a place to go for lunch during high school. So we'd walk over here during lunch. I'd take my friends' orders, drive them back to school, bring a milkshake for my teacher because I was about 30 minutes late. And that's sort of how I grew up in the restaurant business, kind of learning from my dad. And after college, we expanded into like another section and we opened up more like a cafe. And then about 5 years ago, we opened up Otro Dia Tacos. And that really took our breakfast burritos from Ronnie's menu to the next level, where we had like these great salsas to team up with these great breakfast burritos. And the two kind of morphed into Best Damn Breakfast Burrito, which started off as a virtual brand just on Uber, Postmates, and all those online ordering platforms. And now it's doing so well, we've expanded to Brooklyn, and we're making it more like a brick and mortar part of our little mini food court.
So in San Diego, I know that you and I talked about this before, you were literally running across the border for great tacos.
I played baseball there, so most of my teammates went there for girls, I went for the tacos. And
he's honest. What can I say? He went for the tacos, and then this inspiration came to me.
Yeah, so when the space next door to the Ronnie's became available, I wanted to do tacos. It was always a passion of mine, and it gave me the opportunity to do it.
Awesome. So you can get them here, West Coast, or in Brooklyn, East Coast. Now, enough yapping. Are you going to make me some tacos and some burritos?
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right, let's get to it.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. This is our Lanetta, that's our most popular. On the weekends, we probably sell about 300 of these a day.
Oh my God, and what's in here?
This has the eggs little runny. So when you bite into it, the yolk kind of coats the tater tots, bacon, avocado, crema, all in one bite. It's pretty amazing.
And then we have two more out here.
Yeah, these are our second most and third most popular. This is called the Chavella. Some people like scrambled eggs, so this has a little of everything. Our fresh pico de gallo, black bean, scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, avocado, cheddar cheese, and this is our chori burrito. We source our chori from like the Chori Man, and I think he makes the best chorizo. So we get chorizo, cheddar cheese, scrambled eggs.
And I see there's different salsas with each one because you home make these.
Yeah,
made here, right?
These come from the taco shop. Our salsa roja is nice heat. Yeah, it's good for.
And what's this one?
That's a citrus habanero. It's all raw ingredients,
nice.
but
and we've got fresh avo here, and there's an avocado.
That's our guac avocado salsa and a salsa verde. I think the salsa verde complements the chorizo really
so
well.
I'm gonna just take a bite straight up. Oh my God. This is so good for so many reasons, because you've got obviously the unctuousness of the egg yolk, the crunch of the tater tots that are in there. The avocado is a nice smooth spread. The cheese is perfect, and the saltiness of the bacon This is really a perfect best damn breakfast burrito. And there you have it.
I worked really hard on this one. I'm a big texture fan, like textures of food. So like the textures in this give you a little of everything. Like she said, the crunch, the runniness, it's not dry. Nice balance. Save them for me.
No, you can eat the other. Oh my God, that's incredible, incredible.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
I already got into the shake.
And our smoothies are good. After the salsa has the heat, wash it down with a little smoothie.
And what was this? I'm obsessed with this one.
That one's nice for the ladies because a lot of women don't like bananas. So this is coconut water, pineapple, and strawberries with a little turmeric.
Turmeric, and I'm all about the turmeric. So all this right here at Otro Dia Tacos, Diner Dave, happy to serve you the best damn breakfast burrito. It really is. And remember, it's literally on the wall. Thank you.
Thank you. I've worked really hard, so thank you.
Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna, and you make all this fresh in here, and yum.
I'll let you eat it. Let me go yell at some of my employees.